Hello and welcome to Springmaid Pier, the new Springmaid Pier, which is currently under construction, as you can tell by that equipment over yonder, and this gentleman here driving past. Let's actually get on the beach and get a better look at the new pier that is under construction. Can't see much from here except for a incline, a ramp, if you will, right there. Don't know if that's permanent, if that's temporary, don't know, but it looks interesting. It is very windy, so I apologize if some of the audio does not pick up. Let's get down to the sand and take a peek from down below. This hotel that's located behind the pier used to be the Springmaid Resort. It is now a DoubleTree hotel. And this away is the beach, as you can see. Oh, there's horses down here just chilling out by the pier. Not uncommon to see. There's that incline we saw from the other angle. It does appear that this incline will be permanent. If you look closely, you can see the flat areas for wheelchair access to rest in between inclines. Thank you for joining me on this quick inspection of the new Springmaid Pier, checking on the status of it. Gets a little bit longer every week. We'll check back again in the future, see how this thing shapes up. I'm curious, as always, to what will come of this building here. I assume they will remodel it to go along with the fresh pier, but we will see. Time will tell. So, until next time, everybody, take it easy.